Hello, and welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of blocking screenshots for your profile in the IMO app. This feature enhances your privacy by preventing others from capturing your profile details without your consent. Let's get started. First, open the IMO app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top left. Next, you will see your profile name at the top of the page. Click on your profile name to open the profile settings. Then scroll down and click on the Edit button at the bottom of your profile page. After that, look for Privacy Settings and tap on it. In the Privacy menu, then click on Block Screenshots for Profile. Finally, enable the Block Screenshots for Profile option to prevent others from taking screenshots of your profile. By following these steps, you've successfully blocked screenshots for your profile in the IMO app, enhancing your privacy. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.